Mahigit doble ang tinaas mga kaso ng cybercrime sa Metro Manila ngayong taon.
Mas high-tech, mas napapadali yung proseso. Yun nga lang, kung nagagamit ito sa mabuti, mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan. Mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan.
Cybercrime is any crime carried out using computers, phones, or the internet. Criminals use it to steal money, personal information, or even whole identities. Common examples include hacking accounts, online scams, phishing emails, and spreading viruses. These crimes can harm people financially, emotionally, and even damage big organizations. We often become victims of cybercrime because many people don't recognize online threats, trust suspicious links or messages, and use weak or repeated passwords. Sometimes, attackers take advantage of curiosity, urgency, or lack of awareness. Others fall victim because devices or apps are not updated, making them easier to hack. Scammers also use tricks to pretend to be trusted companies or people. So think before you click.
It is important to stay safe from cybercrime because it protects your personal information, money, and identity. When criminals gain access to your account, they can steal your savings, pretended to be you, or even ruin your reputation.
So here are some tips to avoid cybercrime. 1. Use strong and unique passwords. 2. Think before you click. 3. Update your devices and apps regularly to fix security weaknesses. 4. Be careful with personal information. 5. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like banking or online shopping. 6. Install reliable antiviruses software and always back up your files. So, be smart, be safe. Think before you click.